इसीलिए हमने उनको कहा कि एंकर से मंगाइए।
One tree can start a forest. One star can guide a ship.
It is an honor to be surrounded by so many special people and to be blessed in the fellowship of the gracious occasion that is the 19th Foundation Day of Subhasariya Group of Institutions. Let me take this opportunity to introduce our institute, which is promoted by Subhasariya Jan Kalyan Trust. In the year 1999, the founding father of this institute, Shri Tejnaji Subhasariya, established it for the advancement of education in the region and demands of the future. The trust is on achieving technical excellence with professionalism along with the moral behavior.
Premier technical institutes of the modern world. The feat has been made possible by the constant effort, guidance and the direction of Honorable Chairman Shri P.R. Agarwala sir. It is the time to cheer, to shine, to inspire and to be inspired.
Atithi Devo Bhava. The quote reflects the hospitality of Indian culture. Our distinguished guests are here to make us feel privileged and proud with their presence. We feel immense pleasure to welcome the Now, let us all welcome with a round of applause the Member of Parliament from Sikar constituency, Shri Sumedhananji Saraswati. We request respected Vice Chairman of Subhasariya
Assembly from Sikar constituency. Please welcome him with a round of applause, Shri Ratan Lalji Jaldhari. We kindly accompany our honorable guest. We request Professor Devendra Singh to escort them.
We now request Dr. K.C. Sharma to kindly accompany
Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
गणेश देवा माता जगी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश जय
Now, let's express our pious feelings of hospitality and love towards the dignitaries of the fest. It is a privilege for all of us on having such eminent personality amongst us today. We request Honorable Chairman Sir Shri P.R. Agarwala to welcome and honor His Excellency Shri Kesri Naji Tripathi with a bouquet and safa, a symbol of traditional hospitality of Rajasthani culture. We request Vice Chairman Sir Shri G.P. Agarwala to welcome His Excellency with a shawl. We request Vice Chairman Sir Shri K.B. Agarwala to present a memento as a token of our memory, respect and thankfulness to His Excellency.
We now request Chairman Sir Shri P.R. Agarwala to present a bouquet, safa, shawl and memento to our honorable guest Shri Sumedhanand J. Saraswati. We now request respected Vice Chairman Sir Shri K.B. Agarwala to present a bouquet, safa, shawl and memento to our honorable guest Shri Ratan Lalji Jaldhari.
लाइन चेक कर लो हाँ ठीक है सफेद थोड़ी वाला वीडियो
We now request the Principal of Sobhas Area Group of Institutions, Dr. Sudhir Kumar Rathi sir, to present a bouquet, safa, shawl and a memento to our honorable guest, Dr. Prem Shankarji Tripathi.
As a former minister under government of Rajasthan and has been a minister of Rajasthan Legislative Assembly. Please welcome him with a round of applause, Shri Rajendra Ji Parekh. We request respected member of management Sunil Ji Moore sir to kindly accompany our honorable guest. We request Professor Sanjay Gupta to escort them to the stage. Please welcome our honorable guest Janab Jivan Khanji, Chairman of Nagar Parishad Sikar. We request Professor Piyush Mathur to escort them.
We now request Dr. K.C. Sharma to welcome Honorable Chairman Shri P.R. Agarwala with a safa.
We request respected Vice Chairman Sir Shri G.P. Agarwala to present a bouquet, safa, shawl and memento to our honorable guest Shri Rajendra J. Parekh. We request respected Member of Management Shri Sunil G. Moore to present a bouquet, safa, shawl and memento to our honorable guest Janab Jeevan Khaji. Receiving various awards and recognitions in the past. He also rendered mentorship, being the president of Bharat Chamber of Commerce, Kolkata, and ex-president of West Bengal Hosiery Association. It is honor regarded of his philanthropist nature. He laid the foundation of a pioneer institute in the field of technical education 19 years ago in Sikar, with a dream and vision to provide quality education to the talents of the nation. His dream has
Please join me in welcoming His Excellency Shri Kesinath Tripathi Ji, Honorable Governor of West Bengal, who has been kind enough to be our chief guest today. We are truly privileged and blessed to have his august presence among us. He aggrandized many noble and important positions in the state and Indian government. He was elected 3 times as Speaker of the UP Legislative Assembly. 3 times. Shri Tripathi is a distinguished lawyer, poet and writer with extraordinary oratory skills. He has been conferred the D.Litt. in law. He had the distinction of arguing cases on behalf of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Chaudhry Charan Singh and many political leaders. I also have great pleasure in welcoming Shri Sumendanandji Saraswati, MP Sikar, Shri Rajendra Ji Parekh, ex-minister, Government of Rajasthan, Shri Ratanlal Ji Jaldari, MLA Sikar, Janab Jeevan Khanji, Chairman, Nagar Parishad Sikar, and Dr. Prem Shankar Tripathi, renowned literary personality. आप लोगों को सुन रहा है ना मेरी आवाज? Distinguished guests, faculty members, my beloved students, and our friends from the media, I extend a very warm and cordial welcome to all of you on this 19th Foundation Day celebration of this Shobha Sharia group of institutions. Since inception, we have been focusing on maintaining the highest standard of learning. Please keep calm on that side. Please. I am telling only of your college, nothing else. Since inception, we have been focusing on maintaining the highest standard of learning, enabling our students to achieve success wherever path they have treated. I am happy to share that many of our alumni have earned a name for themselves by virtue of becoming entrepreneurs as well as technocrats, research specialists, managers in many big industrial houses, NASA, ISRO, DRDO, IES, Infosys, Amazon, HCL, IBM and many others. Ladies and gentlemen, the glory of our institution continues unabated as we scale new heights of excellence. And in doing so, we have won the prestigious Asia Education Summit Award as the best engineering college in Rajasthan with excellent faculty in Rajasthan. Several of our students have been selected in government jobs, qualified GATE exam, while others have secured top ranks in RTU merit list, including Chancellor's Medal for Nidhi Agarwal, Gold and Silver Medal. You can give a good applause to Nidhi Agarwal. We have a new R&D workshop for providing the opportunity of research. Under its aegis, our student teams are working on various innovative projects like World Robotics, Olympiad, Solar Bike, Dairy Feeder, Mechanism, Pick and Place, Autonomous Robot, Line Follower Robot, Agro Drone, Automatic Trolley System, Disaster Management, Smart Dustbin, Make for India Competition and Hackathon 2017. Is it right? Now, I would like to conclude with a message of the great Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who had once said that dreams are not that come in your sleep. I think you are hearing, students. Dreams are not that come in your sleep, but those that do not allow you to sleep. May I repeat? Dreams are not that come in your sleep, but those that do not allow you to sleep. So, please dream on and dream big, because it is your first step towards achieving greater heights in your life. Thank you all.
Who can make a difference and can be trained to face the challenges of this dynamic age.